Hey, what the heck is going on with you? Look what the man is supposed to be in trying to get action. What's up, Priatelja? Today I'm gonna rant about experience during the Taste of Serbia 2022. I gotta going to go to St. Basil of Ostrog, Serbian Orthodox Church. My favorite fair, every event in Labor Day weekend 2022. I get my parents sick in 2022. But this year, my fair is canceled last weekend because I get postponed on Sunday. So I don't give us time. We're gonna get ready for it. So, well, I don't give understand to watch. I don't think so. So I don't think the fair is getting a big exciting, but I can't wait to try. No, I don't give understand to get along. So thank you guys. Thank me for disappointment. So think the fair when the footage at St. Basil of Ostrog outside of Orthodox church and places. So let's go or read them all. What's up, Priatelja? Kid Breaks Revenge here today. Taste of Serbia 2022. We'll be back after 2 days after COVID-19. So eat them all. I don't think what you guys watching is supposed to be a con. We're gonna watch the children going inside, but I can't wait to try. I don't beware for the first second in the Kid Breaks Entrance video. I don't think so. It was a very bad time. I don't know what it is. We're gonna watch the first time in a second. Yeah, haven't been at the Taste of Serbia or Serbian Fair 2022 on Liberty Weekend. I don't gonna know, so we can't wait to try. What did you guys happen about the fair? But I can't wait to try. Because the fair is again watching for that. What happened supposed to be at the man? I can't wait to try at the fair right now because I need to watch people. People's already looking at about it now, so we can't wait to try about a fair already. But don't watch this anything about on the people's ready, so we can't wait. It's not taking much hour. We're gonna wait a show about patiently about it for a minute ago. I don't give a wait about an entrance. We're gonna be excited about watching on the fair on the side. These children, what the heck are you watching? I don't give a yeah about them. We're gonna watch a fair already. It'll be the first time I need to watch over the video. I don't give a scare. We're gonna watch a truck. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. We're gonna watch a people or a spectator. I don't know. I don't know what you guys watching. Don't let the cars aren't ready because I need to watch over the car or back. I don't know what you guys watching over the car. I don't wait in the car, so we cannot wait over the kids. But yeah, I don't care about chia ma, I don't give a share. We don't give a scare about watching it. I'm gonna get like, subscribe, favorite, Kid Break Revenge. Here we go. Now my fair is finally excited to wear my shirts, to wear my outfits. So stop being a lying. I don't think my professional clothes is my friend awesome, authentic, everything. So understand. In exciting, stop being a dimwit. It's not being difficult for the first time, but I don't want the first time at the fair. I don't think the fair will be your last chances, but I don't think actually to go to the fair. Do not forget to subscribe, like, favorite, drop a comment, like button, and subscribe. And do not forget to subscribe, like, smack a button or a comment. And thank you guys. Thank you very much. Kid Break Central or Revenge or Parodies. Bagom and the Virginia.